Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Ultimate Defense Knives Ray God. This thing is really interesting. It's got a hawkbill blade, sort of like a karambit, and very unique looking knife, I have to say. Overall length is 6.6 inches, blade length of 2 3/4 of an inch, and it is RWL 30 steel, and it is a satin finish on this guy. So this one has what is called the Lubin Lock, I believe. Let me check. Yep, the Lubin Lock. So it functions similarly to the Hawk Lock. I don't know about the internal mechanism, but it works where you pull back on that and swing it shut, and it works really nicely. Very functional. I appreciate that. The handles are 3.875 inches in length, and they are made with 420 steel, and they have been polished to what I would call a mirror finish. So it's got this, it looks very chromy when you're looking at it. It's kind of cool. The overall weight is 5.56 ounces, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. Now this guy does not have a pocket clip, but I'm sure that this guy would sit just fine in your pocket. And it is for a right-handed user because that release button is on the right-handed side. So guys, there you have it. This is the Ultimate Defense Knives Ray God. Go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com.